The iPhone 16 series launch is now less than a week away, and the buzz surrounding the new models is giving Apple significant attention. This release will be the first to feature AI-driven functions, referred to as Apple Intelligence, which will arrive with the iOS 18 update later this year. With these anticipated upgrades, it's expected that Apple will raise the prices, a move that no longer surprises consumers. According to recent price leaks from Apple Hub, Apple could generate billions in revenue if the demand for the iPhone 16 series meets its forecasts. The leaked prices are as follows. iPhone 16 will be priced at $799 or 66,300 rupees approx. iPhone 16 Plus will be priced at $899 or 74,600 rupees approx. iPhone 16 Pro will be priced at $1,099 or 91,200 rupees approx, and iPhone 16 Pro Max will be priced at $1,199 or 99,500 rupees approx. These prices may not appear drastically different from last year's iPhone 15 series. However, in countries like India, the starting price tends to be higher, closer to 80,000 rupees, and the price for iPhone Pro Max may go up to 1,40,000. This is due to the way Apple adjusts its pricing to account for local taxes and duties. Interestingly, reports suggest that the iPhone 16 Pro models will be assembled in India this year, which could help the company manage duties more effectively. This opens up the possibility of a slight price reduction. In fact, Apple recently lowered the prices of the iPhone 15 series in India by up to $80 or 6,000 rupees, mainly due to changes in import duties. Pre-orders for the iPhone 16 series are expected to start on the launch day, with sales likely beginning around September 19th or 20th. Many companies in the AI space are adding a premium for new features without directly charging for the services. For those interested in watching Apple's It's Glow Time event, it will be held on Monday, September 9th at 10 a.m. Pacific Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 6 p.m. British Summer Time, and 3 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. The event will be streamed live on Apple's website, YouTube, and through the Apple TV app. I recommend that viewers avoid purchasing the iPhone 16 immediately after its launch. New devices often come with unexpected software and hardware issues, and it's best to give Apple a few months to release updates to address any bugs. Waiting at least 2 to 3 months could save you from potential frustrations. Ultimately, the decision is yours, but this is something I also mentioned during the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra launch. As many of you already know, Samsung took almost 6 months to release updates that fixed problems like the green line on the display and speaker issues, causing early buyers a lot of inconvenience. Additionally, according to tech insider Majin Buu, the Apple Watch 10 will feature slimmer bezels compared to the Series 9. The display will remain curved, unlike the flat design found on the Apple Watch Ultra. So what do you guys think about the pricing of the upcoming iPhone 16 series? Will you buy the iPhone 16 right after the launch, or will you wait for the stable updates? Let us know in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.